Hello and thank you for joining me today. This is Rob Van Bergen from Pain Free for Life. Welcome to 5 Minute Microcurrent, our video series where I show you how to perform a simple protocol that can be done in under 5 minutes and that can yield incredibly quick results. Today we're going to be talking about how to perform a quick and easy 5-minute energy boost to get you or your client energized and ready to go. And we'll do all of this through the trigeminal nerve. Now there are 12 cranial nerves in the body, all originating in the brain. They come in pairs and connect different body areas and organs to the brain. Cranial nerves can transmit two types of information. Sensory information, which includes details about smells, sights, tastes, touch, and sounds to the brain, and motor information, which refers to signals that affect the movement or activity of muscles and glands. Nerves that send sensory information are said to have sensory functions, and those that send motor information have motor functions. While some nerves only have sensory or motor functions, others can have both, and the trigeminal nerve is one of the cranial nerves that has both sensory and motor function. Well, one branch of it does anyway. Now, there are a lot of reasons that we may decide to treat the trigeminal nerve with microcurrent. People with trigeminal neuralgia, TMJ, people who have suffered a stroke, or Bell's palsy can all benefit from treatment, but today we're looking at quickly and easily boosting energy, something that can benefit almost everyone at some point in time. Now to perform this protocol, you will need a microcurrent device, like the Avazzia Life Genesis. That's it. Nothing else is necessary, although you may find it more comfortable to use a Y electrode or a face electrode. Now, you're going to need to set your device to a program that has dosing and zeroing capabilities in it. If you don't know what that is in your device, check your user's guide. The detailed table will tell you which modes do. So you're going to place the electrode on your face and set the power to a comfortable level by holding down the plus button until you can feel a tingle. Making it hurt doesn't make it more effective, so keep it comfortable. You want to look to the 6 exit points of the trigeminal nerve. Here, 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 and here. Place the electrode on point 1 and wait for a dose. Then lift the electrode up and move to point 2 and do the same. Complete the process by working through each of the points in order until each of them have been dosed. The electrical signals pulsed into the nerve will energize you and wake you up. A great trick to replace or help substitute your morning cup of coffee or whatever else you need to get up and going. And that's it. Thank you again for joining me. I hope you have a pain-free day, and I will see you in the next one.